Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are unboxing a round LED panel by the company Neewer. This is a 24 ultra thin panel. I've been looking for a replacement for my current key light that I'm using, the Kodak SL60W. Plus I'm using a softbox and octagon that is 24 inches and it takes a lot of space in my small studios here. So I've been looking for a replacement and I ordered this, and I think this might be the light that will replace my current key light. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're basically gonna do an unboxing. We're gonna check it out, and then at the end I'm gonna do several tests and compare it with the current key light that I'm using here and see if this is a good replacement for my new YouTube video. So we'll find out. Hey guys, can I ask you for a favor? If you are enjoying my video, can you hit that like button? It helps me a lot here with the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you like the content I'm producing, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to activate that notification bell so that way you don't miss any of my new videos. And now back to the video. All right guys, and here is our new round LED light, also known as a Flapjack. So in today's video, we're gonna be comparing my current key light, which I'm using right now, which is a SL60W. I'm using it with a 24-inch octagon softbox. This thing takes so much space here in my room that I need to replace it. Hopefully this is gonna be my new replacement, and that's what we're gonna be doing in today's video. We're gonna be comparing the two and see which one looks better for my YouTube videos. So I need you guys to be the judge of this video, and at the end, after watching the videos, let me know which one you like better, the Kodak SL60W or my Neewer Flapjack LED light. And now let's go over the features really quick. So in the descriptions, it says that it's 24 inches wide, but in reality it's actually 22 inches if we exclude the black border. This is a biocolor LED light, which is great. That means that you can actually change the temperature from 2500 Kelvin all the way to 8500 Kelvin. Not bad at all. It includes a remote control, so you can actually control the light too remotely, which is really nice. On the back, let me show you really quick. You have a V-mount battery, and also if you want to use the NPF or the Canon batteries, there's an adapter that you have to buy separate, but you can actually use those batteries as well with the adapter. Right now the adapters on this one is the V mount for the V batteries. Okay, right here you have your control, which is excellent. Right here you can actually turn the power on. This is where you connect your AC power, which is included. And right here you have your LCD screen where you can control the brightness, you can control the temperature of the light. It has 40 channels and it allows you to use 4 groups, which is great if you want to use multiple LED lights on the same group or channel, which is great. Right here you got the knob, obviously, where you can control the brightness and also the color temperature of the light. And right here you have also your DMX connection, so if you have a light console system that you want to be able to hook, this is great. It gives you the option as well. This is a 360 LED light, so it allows you to pretty much adjust this however you want. As far as the build quality, it feels very solid, very sturdy. I believe it's made out of plastic, but it feels good quality plastic, and the arms feel like aluminum, which is really great. So, all right, so enough talking, and let's go ahead and do the comparison. So I'm gonna go ahead and compare the Kodaks first, and then I'm gonna compare the Neewer round light. And remember, you guys be the judge, okay? Alright guys, so now let's go over the pros and cons of this LED light. Let's start with the pros. The first thing you will notice if you buy this LED light is that it's super bright. So if you're looking for a super bright panel, this is it. Really nice. The second thing that I really like is the design. It feels sturdy, solid, and it's super thin. So if you're looking for something compact that doesn't take much space in a small room, this is it. It includes a carrying case where you can fit everything. It includes a remote control, which is really nice. A battery adapter. And also you have the option to control the temperature from 2500 Kelvin all the way to 8500 Kelvin, which is excellent for an LED panel, which is really nice. All right, so now let's go over the cons. I only have a few. If you're planning on using this light like I will, maybe in a studio where it's gonna be set there, maybe for fill-in light or maybe as a key light, you're fine. But if you're considering this light for traveling, this may not be the best option. Inside the case, this is bulky and big. It takes a lot of space. I drive a small, medium-sized car and it took the whole space in my trunk. So just keep that in mind. For traveling, it may not be the best option, especially if you fly. Not sure if you want to be traveling with this big case. And last is the brightness of this light. I really like how bright this light gets, but I don't like the option to lower the brightness. And what I mean by that is that even if you set the light at 1%, it feels like it's at 40 or 50%. There's not much of a difference between 50 and 30 or 30 and 1. They're almost the same. And for a fill-in light, I feel like that's a miss right there, a big miss, because you want to be able to, if you set it at 1, you want that to be the lowest brightness possible. When you set it at 50, half. And when you set it at 100, full light. So that's the one thing that I feel like this light missed. But other than that, there's ways that you can go around this. You can add diffusers on top of it, or you can actually change the settings of your camera. Now the big question is, am I gonna replace my Godox SL60 with this newer panel? The answer is no. I really like it, but I still prefer my Godox in the softbox. Alright guys, so that is it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments below which light you like best, the Neewer or the Godox, which is the one that I'm currently using at the moment. I'm very curious. Let me know in the comments below. Other than that, if you're interested in buying any of these lights, I'm also going to leave links below at no additional cost to use. You can use these links and it helps me out a bit here on this channel. So other than that guys, I guess I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like my content. Take care guys. Bye.